The following are a couple of digital currencies which are exchanging under the main 100 coins or badge of the market, and financial backers are going inquisitive to be familiar with these coins lately. The given GMT price prediction will help you out in pursuing the ideal choice of how much is protected to purchase. Most dealers are looking for the most moving coins on the lookout, and it isn't not difficult to track down one of those coins that can give a lot of cash in the exchanging. Indeed, there are heaps of coins. Regardless, individuals are befuddled connected with the tokens or coins of the cryptographic money market. Here are an additional subtleties of the coin to be aware of. Through this video, we will discuss the most well-known, and as of now, the coin which is snatching consideration. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of STEPN is $1.35 and GMT is at present position number in the whole crypto-biological system. The dissemination supply of STEPN is 600 million with a market cap of $809,671,586. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 10.28% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. STEPN is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The GMT is down to nearly 50.45% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for recent days. The coin could serious areas of strength for have yet, we don't imagine that it would a productive resource in present moment. In any case, after the contrasting the ongoing cost and recent days cost history, it is seen that STEPN has expanded 96.804% in its worth. The typical least cost for the month is $0.043, while most extreme normal cost was $0.043. This infers that this coin is a reasonable resource and another expansion to your arrangement of coins for long haul. The 90 days cost change is around 95.09% and the cost coursed from a base typical cost of $0.066 to greatest normal cost of $0.066 in the beyond 90 days. In last 4 months STEPN has shown a developing pattern. Along these lines, we imagine that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period. As indicated by the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of STEPN is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost. The coin is up by 95.98% with the most extreme typical cost of the coin was around $0.048 and the base typical value of was around $0.048 in beyond 4 months. STEPN is exchanging at $1.35 in term of its United States dollars rate with a value change of 3.61% in most recent 60 minutes. GMT has an absolute market cap of $809,671,586 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,036,774,195. This makes STEPN, GMT, positioning at 63 in the cryptographic money market. Assuming you are a crypto financial backer and thinking about what is the STEPN cost forecast finish of 2022, what will STEPN be worth in 2022? Is STEPN a wise venture worth purchasing in 2022? Will GMT cost outperform its unsurpassed high? These are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT's future. GMT price prediction. Here, we will share the value expectation of the token as need might arise to be aware of the normal cost of the token on the off chance that they are intending to contribute. Perhaps, it is critical to share the amount might we at any point anticipate from the token later on and how far could it at any point go. Indeed, the forecast given underneath is only an assumption, and dealers ought to be familiar with the symbolic where are they going to contribute and will it be great to contribute. STEPN, GMT, Price Prediction 2022. As per the STEPN conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2022, the GMT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.92, the normal least value worth of STEPN, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to be $1.85. Besides, GMT can arrive at a greatest value level of $2.10. GMT price forecast May 2022. In May 2022, the cost of STEPN is estimated to be at around a base worth of $1.39. The STEPN value worth can arrive at a limit of $1.57, with a typical exchanging worth of $1.53. In United States dollars GMT price forecast June 2022. In June 2022, the cost of STEPN is gauged to be at around a base worth of $1.52. The STEPN value worth can arrive at a limit of $1.65, with a typical exchanging worth of $1.59. In United States dollars STEPN price prediction July 2022. The cost of STEPN is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $1.57 in 2022. The GMT cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $1.71, with a typical exchanging cost of $1.64 all through 2022. GMT price forecast August 2022. In August 2022, the cost of STEPN is estimated to be at around a base worth of $1.60. The STEPN value worth can arrive at a limit of $1.78, with a typical exchanging worth of $1.67. In United States dollars, STEPN, GMT, price forecast September 2022. For September, the cost of STEPN is anticipated to arrive at a typical month-to-month furthest reaches of $1.74, while the coin will exchange between a limit of $1.85 and at least $1.68. GMT price forecast October 2022. In October 2022, the cost of STEPN is determined to be at around a base worth of $1.75. The STEPN value worth can arrive at a limit of $1.93, with a typical exchanging worth of $1.81 in United States dollars. STEPN, GMT, price prediction November 2022. As for November 2022, STEPN cost is estimated to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $1.79. The GMT cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $2.01, with a typical estimate cost of $1.86. STEPN price prediction December 2022. The cost of STEPN is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $1.85 in 2022. The GMT cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $2.10.